Today I will show you 5 stocks with the best performance in July. Those who determined their potential could win the game last month. So we have selected 5 companies that proved to be the best assets for their holders. And the number 5 is Zeta Limited stocks. They are car rental service, and this kind of services is very popular in South Africa. During July, their stocks increased by 11.6%. The stock had been in an upward trend for some time, and a price correction occurred in July, allowing investors to buy shares at a discount. In July, stocks has been moving based on the half-year results pointed to continued debt reduction and fleet expansion despite a tough trading environment. The stock is currently trading near its highs, so a pause or some profit-taking wouldn't be surprising. Either way, holders are still collecting one of the better dividend yields on the JSE while they wait. Number 4, and here you can see a specialist banking and wealth management group, private banking, investment banking, and asset wealth management. They are Investec. Investec is a long-term uptrend that began back in December 2025. In June, as with many, there was a price correction, followed by a 13.2% surge in July, reaching an all-time high. Buying shares at all-time highs in August would be somewhat risky, but a month ago, at a discount, it was just right. 6% dividends could also be considered as an advantage. This modern fintech service is well known among investors. Likely you even use their services every day when investing in JSE stocks. They are a licensed broker in South Africa and reached top 3 of the best stocks of July. Yes, we're talking about Easy Equities and their owners, Purple Group, alongside Easy Properties, Easy Crypto, and Easy Retire. So during July, stock value increased by 14.45%. On the chart, you can observe a price correction, but there are also signs of a reversal. In any case, those who bought shares at the beginning of the month made a wise decision as the price was lowered and the upside potential was realized throughout July. It's highly likely that the story isn't over yet. There's a good chance we'll see new highs under a favorable scenario, so Purple Group seems one of the most interesting stocks in South African fintech sector. Number 2, and here you can see Sasol Limited, 29.4% growth within 1 month. We're talking about the best stock in the first half of 2026, and it's still good. In June, on maximum, it was a high risk to enter, but in July, one of the best, so investors could benefit with new upward wave. Sasol is South Africa's vertically integrated energy and chemicals group, spanning its Southern Africa energy and chemicals business and an international chemicals arm, one of the most direct ways to play oil price swings on the JSE. As you might have guessed, their success is linked to rising oil prices due to external factors. It was a stroke of luck, but the company became an excellent hedge against risk in the current environment. While other industries were under pressure from high fuel prices, the company benefited. Easily predictable for those well-versed in politics proved a distinct advantage. Instead of monitoring the company's financial reports and press releases, regular international news took center stage. On the first place, we have an extreme fighter, Sappi Limited, with 29% growth in July. Sappi is a global pulp, paper, and packaging producer with operations across Southern Africa, Europe, and North America, dual listed on the JSE and via a US ADR. The company was among the worst performing investments in the first half of the year, but in July it managed to grow by 30%, which appears to be a complete reversal. Therefore, by the end of the year, under a favorable scenario supported by strong financial reports, the company could show a similar rally as in the first half of the year, only with a positive twist. Since August, shares have continued to rise, and over the past 30 days, they have already reached 71%. The only drawback is that the company doesn't appear to be paying dividends yet, but these shares will still be interesting for medium-term perspective with the aim of profiting from the possible rally. Now you know stories of all chosen stocks for this review, given that they show the best performance and dynamic, mainly without drawdowns. To which of the companies you would trust them more? Did you invest in July and JSE listed stocks? If yes, write in the comments, are you satisfied with results and are you going to continue? We will meet once again next month to discuss the best deals of August, and I hope to see your stocks in the list of the best next month. It was a Thabo, and I wish you successful trading sessions in the near future. Bye-bye.